Hey guys, what's going on? Jessie here. So for those who are coming back, a big welcome back. For those who do not know who I am, I'm Jessie. I'm a professional organizer and a life coach. And today I am going to be talking about goal setting. So we touched on goal setting in one of my other previous videos, but today we're going to be talking about how to stay accountable for a goal. I'm going to be sharing 2 little tips that you could incorporate into your life to help you stay accountable for your goals. So we're going to jump right into it. Goal number 1 is going to be a vision board. So a lot of people use vision boards in kind of that traditional way of, the new year comes in and they want to manifest goals and they pretty much list everything on their board that they want to come true. Their journey, their path that they want, everything they want to accomplish for the year. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use a vision board in a different way. So this was a find that I found a couple of months ago. I posted it on my Instagram. So for those who are not following me, definitely come out and follow me. My Instagram is Messtobestsolutions. I would love to have you there, and we're doing something fun. This month we're doing 30 days of a happiness journey, so I would love to have you come down, share in it, and share your stories as well. So back to the vision board. So I'm going to show you what this vision board looks like. It is a little bit heavy. This is something I do keep in my office. And you can see here what it looks like. It is a vision board that has different categories. So it has a work category, a daily to-dos, it has a health category, and it has a travel category. And so this is what I use on a daily basis to kind of see where I'm at, and I love to use this to check off my items. So a couple of things that I struggle with on my daily kind of to-dos is I forget to water the plants all the time. So I have it written here, so no matter where I'm at in my office, I can see it and it's kind of like directly at me, and this way I don't forget. And so something else that helps me keep accountable for is like drinking water. I'm one of those people who struggle with drinking 8 glasses of water per day, so I actually have it here to remind myself to constantly, drink water. I like to meditate at least twice a day. So things like that really kind of helps you see kind of where your day is at and what you need to do, right? So I love using this thing. I picked this up from Home Goods. And if you know anything about Home Goods, you kind of got to get the stuff when they have it, because if you don't, then it's gone forever. But if you're ever interested in something like this, I'm sure you can try to see if they have it in a TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or like I said, another Home Goods. So this is great for keeping people accountable for what they need to do during the day. It is kind of big, it's bold, it's in your face, and you could just check it off. And it comes with this little marker. It came with this little marker here, and on the tip, on the top, you can see it has like a little eraser, and this works perfect. So when you checking something off, you literally checking off, and when you need to erase it, you just kind of and then start again. So it's a great little find. And so if you never try to use a vision board in that way, I would definitely suggest using a vision board kind of in that same format. You don't have to have one specifically like this that has the categories, but you can actually, if you have one of those pin kind of vision boards, you can just write whatever your goal is on a piece of paper and then kind of pin it to the board. So that's my first suggestion. My second suggestion will be a goal setting book. So this here I picked up also at Home Goods. That keeps doing that. And it comes with 2 sets of stickies. And these stickies are great for putting in your purse, keeping it in another planner, sticking it on your computer. So this first kind of sticky has the top 3 goals. So that's what it looks like. And like I said, you can write your top 3 goals for the day and kind of stick it somewhere that is kind of in your face that you won't, kind of just put it aside, But the highlight of this is the physical book itself. So the book looks like this, and then inside it has numbers of how many. I think it goes up to 100. Let's see. Yep, it goes up to go 100, and you can use it to write down all your goals. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. All the categories. And I'm going to read it out loud to you. It has the date that you want to accomplish it by, the date that the mission was completed. It has a few lines for why is this goal important, and I always tell people this section is so important. So when you're going after a goal, it's easy to kind of get discouraged and uninspired and not motivated to want to keep on, especially when things are going not the direction you want it to go in and you start hitting obstacles and other challenges. So you always want to remember why you started the goal. You got to keep that at the front of your mind. Keep it in your mind. Keep it in your memory. So you always know what you're fighting for and what you're pushing towards. And then the other section is challenges I may face. So this is great if you know you're going to have obstacles and you might have barriers that's directly in front of you. So you can list them here so you know exactly how to move forward and how to get past them. And then it has steps to accomplish my goal. So this is the section that you're breaking down that goal. I always tell people when you're going towards a goal, you definitely want to make sure that you are breaking it down into micro goals, which are smaller goals. So it helps to keep you kind of, you know, your strength and energy and stamina. It keeps it kind of propelling forward. And then at the end of the goal book, it has the reward section, which I do love. And this is something I always tell people as well. When you're going towards a goal, don't forget to reward yourself for a job well done. A lot of times we get so down on ourselves, we are so critical of ourselves, but we struggle to compliment ourselves and give ourselves the pat on the back that we need to once we fulfill a goal. So definitely I love that this book has that section of what is my reward. And it doesn't have to be a huge reward. It could be something very small. Once you accomplish something, you could reward yourself with your favorite food, a dessert. You could reward yourself with a trip to the movies, a day at the park, whatever it is. It don't have to be something huge. Just make sure that you are rewarding yourself and congratulating yourself for a job well done. So those are my tips for how to keep yourself accountable. Of course, if you can't find a goals book, you can create your own. All you have to do is get a regular notebook and just incorporate those sections that we discussed in the video. So I would love to hear some feedback. I would love to hear what type of goals everyone is going towards for this year. What are you working on? What are you trying to accomplish? And how do you track your goals? So guys, if you're not subscribed and you find these videos helpful or you'd like to see more videos, definitely subscribe and then hit that alarm bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it for today. I'll say bye for now and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye!